I'm out and about today at the Oz paragliding and hang gliding in Boyland because tomorrow I will be heading down there and I'll be taking myself up in the air and I'll be pumping it for hang gliding. Woo! I'm here at the Sky Ranch in Boyland. I am doing hang gliding. That's right, hang gliding. Costs like 300 bucks. 300 bucks to do the flight. We'll be heading off in the morning at 5:30. Signed away my life, now chilling, having a nice wine, and I'm just going to show you around this little place here. Costs $100 a night for a little room. It's got a beautiful kitchen on site and a bloody awesome view out here. So I'll show you around. Bathroom in here, and let's just check her out. Bathroom, we've got a little shower happening here and the little toilet. So let me take you on down, check out the kitchen. This is the beautiful deck. We're the only ones staying here for the night, and let's go and check her out. The Christmas tree is still up. Tomorrow we will be popping down here to do our hang gliding. So we're popping ourselves around this little joint. We're the only ones staying here tonight, and this is the flashiest grass I have felt on my feet in forever. So our flight has been delayed until tomorrow. We are waiting at the first class, having a few drinks. Cheers. Good morning, good morning. Today is the day. Today I am heading myself out to do hang gliding. There we go, it's all ready. Ooh. So I'm about to get onto this hang glider, and I'm a little bit nervous now. Getting a little bit nervous.
Okay, so then I'll go under this here, and it's like I'm sliding into a big kitchen. I'll put my hands on the front bar here. Yeah. Okay, these drums going to help guide you put one of these. Yeah. See how these will be straight? I'm only going to, they're like ladders. Yeah, the drums going to help you walk up it. And then you can tighten your legs. Easy.
Yeah, it's a little bit uncomfortable. You gotta be safe. That's all you start with. Come back up. Yeah, that's it.
So put my legs through here.
Yeah, I'll stretch the left leg, I'll put it through there if possible. Down the road, get the close up. There we go. Yeah, the head goes in the middle, the arms go out the inside of that. So. That's it, perfect. Yep. You got it. Might look easy.
You can grab these straps in front. The bar, yeah. That's it.
I'll just grab one of these legs.
I can take the bar. Grab on to it. That's it. Grab on to it, yeah.
Now what we'll do is just relax a little bit. Push off those two. Push off forward. Alright, we're going to climb the ladder a little bit. So, climb. Another one.
Up close and personal.
Like that?
That's good. That's really good.
Oh, hang on, that foot slipped down.
Oh, okay. Right.
Is that right?
Yep, that's it.
Is that how I'm going?
Yeah, that's perfect. Does that feel good?
And put that on.
Does that feel alright, okay to you?
Yeah.
Just make sure you're comfy.
You gotta be comfortable.
I don't know.
Wiggle a little bit.
Yeah,
Wiggle
just
to
jiggle
get
to
it
your
up.
right, Lise.
Morning folks, 6:30 a.m. Canungra International Airport. First passenger of the day. She is ready to rock and roll.
High five.
High five.
Awesome.
But yeah, mate, done me hang gliding, and when you watch the footage, mate, I slime that damn thing. So, hang gliding, done and dusted. Booyah. So finished the hang gliding, having ourselves a little bit of breakfast, but that hang gliding, mate, that was bloody awesome. It's I think it's a cross between doing a hot air balloon and skydiving. There's a little bit of a thrill when the plane disconnects from the para hang glider, but it's
so peaceful up there. So you gotta do it, peeps. Do it.
Hey peeps, finished my hang gliding, have just had some breakfast, and now we're doing a photography shoot for the owner for Australia Day hang gliding. Booyah!
Go down and jump up, go yay! Okay, do that again. Go touch the
And we're
grass.
looking at the camera and yelling?
Yeah, yeah, don't worry, I'll just take a photo from this one. Ready, go. Yeah.
Oh, so she needs to be out further to the tip, is that right? Yeah, so that you can get more of your aircraft. I'm too far and she's out to the tip.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
I'm out
so-
to the tip.
So you can go a little bit more in there and a little bit up there.
Yeah, you tell her. So I was in
And
the
come
box.
closer to me.
You can do boomerang. Let's practice the boomerang.
So she'll get a photo.
Go.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
Do that again? Okay.
we need to
Yeah,
go this
yeah,
way.
yeah.
That's why mine. Oh,
So you want us down? It's going to be here and both are going to be just about hitting each other. Yeah, ready? Recording. And run to me. Run to me.
go.
Looking at me like that and leaning. And it's running.
What's the name? Oz paragliding and hang gliding.
Yeah, so go get high with Oz paragliding.
I'll do get high.
Okay.
No, I'll say get high and
I'll-
you do the rest because I always muck that up. Okay. So we're going to do, how are we going to do
So
this?
ready? I'm recording now.
Get high with Oz paragliding and hang gliding. Booyah!
You guys are, oh my god, you guys are awesome!
Hang gliding is done and dusted. So Oz paragliding and hang gliding is where we did our little adventure today. They're in Boyland, out Gold Coast way. So it was pretty good, not scary at all. So come on out, it's a ton of fun.